Good morning, guys. It's travel day. I usually do not get excited in the mornings. Yeah, I'm not a morning person. But yay! It's travel day. I'm about to brush my teeth and pack the rest of my stuff and get ready to ba ba boom. Alright, brushing is done. I'm gonna hop in the shower real quick, just right over there, and get my shower out of the way, complete packing, and be ready to get out. So just a quick update into the trip. I'm meeting with the girls, and we're just having a weekend time together, aka mini vacation. So I'm excited to see the girls and just have a fun weekend. So let me go get ready. Shower is done, and I'm about to do my skincare now using Oven Skincare Cleansing Bar. And obviously I just recently got into like skincare and so drink different, treat myself, doing that a little tricks. So yeah, just moisten. And we're back. This is after a couple of minutes. I usually use this wait period to do my dishes and clean around the house. But now that it's done, we're gonna rinse off the face and go to the next step. And now we towel dry our face. Obviously, do not use your body towel for your face because I don't know, it's just not hygienic in my opinion. And because I have packed my face towel, I typically always use my toilet paper tissue. And I really wanted to get a haircut, but if somebody was busy, that was me. So next I go in with my Even Tone Super Glow Serum. This is the truth. Okay, usually once I'm done doing this, I wait like a couple minutes before I add on sunscreen because essentially it is recommended with this product to use sunscreen after. So I wait for like 2 minutes, let this one sit in, and usually when I use this, there's a tiny sting that I feel all over my face, just like a little peppery, I guess. I let that sit in, and then I go in with my sunscreen. Alright, now is a good time to use my sunscreen, and I just pump 2 pumps and apply. This sunscreen is so good for black skin. It doesn't leave any white casts like the other ones, and if I'm not using Oven Skin, I typically use Black Girl sunscreen, which is also amazing as well. It doesn't leave any casts or anything. Once I'm done putting my sunscreen, that is it, and we're ready to rule the day and have an amazing eventful day. Alright, we are all set. I've been feeling a lot of black lately. So I got this cute black top on with this dungarees and sneakers because comfort, okay? And even after all this, I'm still going to carry a sweater or a jacket because it gets awfully cold. I don't know why people don't feel cold. But me, what skin, what fat? None. So I have to carry something that help me out. But yeah, I'm about to head out. I'm all packed now. And I'll see you guys soon. And yeah, you'll find out where we're going when we land. How about that? Okay, bye. Hi guys, so I am all set, ready to start moving. I have about an hour drive to the airport. So yes, that's why I'm leaving quite early because I don't want to be late. I don't want to miss my flight. I've missed my flight one time. I don't want to do it again. So it is really sunny, like, and it's cold, like weirdly. Welcome to Ohio. The weather is yigi yaga.
I am Tina, and I will be taking care of you this afternoon. I have Kurt here assisting me. We are just getting in the process of pre-boarding this aircraft. So this is going to be for passengers that do need a little extra time or assistance coming down the jet bridge. Once we have completed with pre-boarding,
Atlanta airport is still huge. We have to use the train. Okay. This is the hustle. This is why I don't check in my bag. But look at the struggle. Now I have to find my bag. Okay, it's possibly here. Let's find it. Oh, wait. 2:30. Baggage claimed. And now head out. Excuse me. Train to pick up my rental and get moving. Whew. I'm already like blisters already. Hey y'all, I made it to the rental place. I mean to the shuttle that's taking me to the rental place. And then we go there and pick up a car and we got this bad boy to play with. I just want to play. The scratch there is not me that puts it there. So I'm going to make a video. I know I haven't recorded in a while. I am super duper just stressed out. And then I had to make a quick stop at Walmart because the girls sent me on errand to buy something. Currently I am so tired. I'm waiting for them to get here. They're here already. They just need to like get out so I can pick them up. But I am very hungry. I am tired. I cannot wait to see them and just let's begin the fun. So yeah, that's just the update that I want to give you guys. Quick expense update. So I was thinking that I had everything I needed, I was like checking everything. And then what did I do? I took my laptop charger, which charges my phone and charges my earbuds. So I was like, I only need one charger, let me take that one, it will work. And I did. Unfortunately for me, my phone was dying, so I had to buy something that I didn't need. I had to buy another USB, because that's not a USB, that has to be plugged directly to power source. So I spent extra dollars that I don't have. Did I point that out? So if you guys watch this video, maybe you'll help me get to the process of making money, so I'll stop telling you guys how much I don't have money. Anyway, yeah, that's the quick update I wanted to slide in there. Alright, catch y'all on the flip side. Look at it. I'm like, these people are kind of ridiculous, aren't they? They are literally standing right there and I'm right here. Instead of them to like Hanta. Hi y'all. So same outfit, same day. I picked the girls up, but we had to make our first stop. Our first stop is actually Ike's cafe and grill. This, and I'm actually surprised. I didn't think it was this huge, but it is. Yes, there's sitting areas and I'm too tired to get up and show you guys properly, but if I ever get up, I'll show you guys what it is. I heard y'all like dining with Dar. Hey girl, that's Miriam. You guys get in. Hi, it's a video. Hey guys, we finally made it to the apartment or the Airbnb that we're staying at, and everyone is we just ate since we all left our previous English, our destinations, and yeah, we're just watching TV now, having some downtime. Please know Yoruba, having some downtime and just relaxing before moving on. Moving on to the next day. So this is everybody. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Well, anyways, so yeah, day one is fully completed, getting everybody together. Please ignore what, I don't know what language they're speaking. I do not know them. But yeah, I'll catch you guys tomorrow and we'll continue this trip. Okay, bye. We made it. Me too.